Hi and welcome to project demonstration of Twitter trend mining system. The project is developed using Visual Studio with C#.NET as programming language. There is only one entity who will have the access to the system, which is user. The user will be allowed to search for the latest trends by inputting a topic with hashtag into the search field. Based on user provided topic, the system will search for similar topics and calculating the string of supporting words and assigning them to topic using LDA. In natural language processing, latent Dirichlet allocation (LDA) is a generative model that allows sets of observation to be explained by unobserved group that explain why some parts of the data are similar. A list of topics which contains relevant words and their occurrence in the document will be displayed. The trending topics will be displayed based on their ranking, and the user will get a graphical representation of the trending topics and its ranks. By clicking on every trending topic, the user tweets will be displayed related to the selected topic. The user can also view the pre-processed data and the tweets which are received from the multiple users on that topic. So let's now check how the system works. So user need to log in into the system and search for latest trending tweets. So let's enter hashtag and IPL and hit the search button. So what this LDA algorithm does is it will search the related topic into the user tweets and will arrange all the hashtag keywords according to their ranking. The search topic will be displayed and all the related tweets will be shown aside. So the search has been successful. Let's click OK. Now all the tweets are showed here related to this topic IPL, and related to IPL topic we can see all the trending tweets below in the ranking position first top 10. So we can see how much the occurrence of this hashtag RCB versus MI, which gave the strength of 131, and the percentage of occurrence in this tweets is 40%. So by clicking on this first topic, we can see the related tweets over here, and similarly user can view all the related tweets by selecting each topic. So let's now check the view graph, where the trending topic will be having the highest score, as we can see in the bar format, and these are the words, or we can say the topics below, and at the left side we can see the strength of the topic. So let's go back. So here user can also view all the tweets here. So the database has been filled with many of these tweets, and after searching a topic, the data is processed and is stored into pre-processed data, where you can see all the pre-processed data here with the count of the words, and the highest count will be displayed as a trending topic. So let's log out from the system. So this is how the Twitter trend mining works. Thank you.